Today I'm going to show you how you can download your response data with Excel. You can download all your survey responses from Enalyzer for several purposes. You can use the file for analysis in other software, share it with the team, or import it to another Enalyzer survey. If you want to download only a subset of your responses, you can filter your responses first. By filtering, you can also create batches of responses if you have too many responses to download at once. To download your responses to Excel, you have to go into your survey and select Responses in the left side menu. Then you open the Actions menu and click on Download. Then you can choose how many and which of the responses you want to download. In our case, we want to download all of them, so we click All and click Download. Then here you can name your file. We just keep it at the auto-generated one. And then you can customize your download. You can change the different file formats. For example, CSV, SPSS is also possible, but we want to download to Excel. You can change the data formats. You can also choose what kind of labels you want, either auto-generated or data labels. Today, for example, I want to choose data labels. And then you can choose what kind of data you want to include into your download. Do you want to include system background variables? Then you have to enable it. And the open answers we also want to include. Once you've customized your download, you click the green button called Download, and then you can see the download library, and we can see that the download file is generated by the system. Once it's generated, we can click on the download. Now it's done. You click on the download, and you can see it's getting downloaded to your computer. You can see here the download file is complete, and we can open it in Excel. In the download library, you can see all the downloads you've done on this survey. For example, in this survey, we have two. One was a few minutes ago, and the one we just created now. Then we can go out of the download library. And if you ever want to go back to your download library, you just go to Responses, click on Options, and select Download Library. And you can download your files again and access all the downloads you created. And this is how you manage and download your response data.